Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block someone on Discord. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open the Discord application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. So you can block someone from your friends list, a server, or even direct messages. So for that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the message icon. Now tap on the person's profile picture or name to open their message box. Now go ahead and simply tap onto their name again. Tap on the settings like icon, then simply select profile. Just like that, tap on the three dot icon right over here, then tap on block. Just like that, confirm it by tapping on block again. And that's it. Once blocked, they can't message you, mention you, or even see your activity anymore. You also won't see their message in shared server. They'll appear as blocked message unless you choose to view them. And that's it. That is how you can block someone on Discord in just a few seconds. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.